What if I told you your competitors are paying less in taxes than you are? Not because they're making less money, but because they know something you don't. I'm Mark Lewis, an enrolled agent and co-founder of Executive Money Strategies. Being an EA means I hold the highest credential the IRS awards to tax professionals. But unlike other EAs who just file taxes, I teach business owners how to use corporate structure to create an unfair competitive advantage in the marketplace. Right now, your business is probably bleeding money to taxes, and you're probably worried about being exposed to lawsuits and worried about preserving your legacy. Most business owners are paying 40% and more in combined taxes, and in a report from Forbes, 93% of American business pays on average over $11,000 more in taxes than they're required to. And these are companies with CPAs and accountants. At 93%, that almost certainly means you. And that's money you could be using to outpace your competition instead of handing it all over to Uncle Sam. In our hyper dog-eat-dog marketplace, you gotta use every edge you can, and keeping more of your profits is your sharpest knife. What's the secret to solving this? A C Corp LLC combination structure. While your competitors are stuck with single-member LLCs and S Corps paying maximum pain tax, our entity combinations cap taxes at 21% for profits kept in the business. Plus, you can still extract what you need to live on through an S Corp election so that you can strip out that gross self-employment tax when you're making over $80,000 per year. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Now let me show you where 3 examples demonstrate how this really works. Ken and John were running a successful business as a 50-50 LLC, pulling in over $1 million in profits every year. In North Carolina, they were getting crushed, paying 47% in combined federal, state, and self-employment taxes. That's nearly half of their profits gone before they could reinvest in anything. We restructured them to take just what they needed to live, which in their cases was $150,000 each, through S Corps, with each of them getting an $80,000 reasonable wage. The rest stayed in the LLC C Corp combo tax just at 21%. Now, not only did they slash their personal tax burden, but they also got bulletproof asset protection and more capital to expand with. Their total savings, $186,000 per year. That's like getting an extra high-value employee for free. Then there's Shelly, a trader in California, getting absolutely hammered on her crypto and options profits. She was making $450,000 a year, but paying 54% in combined taxes, plus that nasty 3.8% net investment income tax. I mean, every winning trade felt like a loser after Uncle Sam got his cut. We discovered she only needed about $100,000 a year to live. So we set up a passive trading LLC contracted to trade for the main structure's assets, where it got 25% of all profits. But since she's passive, there's no self-employment tax. The other $350,000 stays in the LLC C Corp combo at 21% tax. Her total tax bill dropped by $112,000 annually. That's money she's now using to scale her trading operation. Finally, meet Matthew. He owned rental properties in Hawaii, plus a thriving iPhone case business in California, making $600,000 a year. His total tax burden, a whopping 51% between federal, state, and self-employment taxes. Gross. Plus, Hawaii was taking their piece of his rental income. We moved his properties into Hawaii LLCs, with renters paying a Wyoming LLC, which bypassed that disgusting apportioning tax that Hawaii gives you. Goodbye, Hawaii tax. His business now operates through our C Corp LLC combo, and he takes just $150,000 personally through an S Corp with an $80,000 reasonable wage. That's what he needed to live. Everything else stays at 21% in the LLC C Corp combo. Annual savings, $143,000. Plus, he now has significantly more protection from lawsuits and has a clear path to pass the control of his wealth to his kids tax-free. As an enrolled agent with over 17 years of experience, I don't just know the tax code or the commercial code. I know how to use it legally and ethically to give our clients an edge. Our structures cap corporate taxes at 21% for business profits, and where you can pay yourself tax efficiently as an owner and preserve wealth for generations. I've helped hundreds of business owners just like you slash their taxes and create true financial freedom. But here's the thing. Every day you allow yourself to lose your profits to taxes is another day your competition is finding ways to shut you out of your marketplace. And listening to the internet gurus who peddle trust as the exclusive answer is a fast train to future disaster. Get your easy and completely legal advantage by creating an entity combination for your business that not only brings tax savings, but also protects your assets and preserves your wealth. I look forward to meeting you. Until then, be wealthy.